Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor option is missing from your Android phone. To fix this, first open the Settings app. Now, scroll down to tap on Apps. Here, tap the filter and sort icon and enable this Show System Apps. On some devices, you'll need to tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Show System Apps. Once you see all the apps, type Fingerprint in the search box. Then, tap on this fingerprint entry. If you don't see anything, try typing Test instead. If you still don't see any results, type Sensor instead. One of these should bring up the fingerprint sensor app on your phone. Once you see it, tap on it. In this menu, scroll down to tap on Storage. Here, tap the Clear Data option at the bottom. Then, tap Delete to confirm. After this, go ahead and restart your Android phone. After the reboot, open the Settings app and search for the fingerprint option. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.